Your eyesight is one of your most precious senses, yet most people don't think about eye health until their vision starts to decline. With increased screen time, environmental pollutants, and aging, our eyes face constant strain, leading to dryness, fatigue, and even long-term damage. But what if you could protect your vision simply by making smarter food choices? The truth is, what you eat plays a crucial role in maintaining eye health, preventing vision loss, and even reducing the risk of conditions like macular degeneration and cataracts. Some foods can strengthen and nourish your eyes, while others can contribute to inflammation and deteriorating vision. Let's explore the best and worst foods for your eyes so you can make the right choices to protect your vision today. One of the best foods for eye health is leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These vegetables are loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants that protect the retina from harmful blue light exposure and oxidative damage. Studies show that people who consume a diet rich in these nutrients have a lower risk of cataracts and macular degeneration, both of which are leading causes of vision loss. If you spend long hours on screens or under artificial lighting, eating more leafy greens can act as a natural defense against eye strain and fatigue. Another eye-boosting superfood is fatty fish, such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which play a critical role in reducing dry eye syndrome and improving tear production. Omega-3s also help maintain the structure of the retina and prevent age-related eye diseases. If you don't eat fish regularly, you can still get omega-3s from chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts to keep your eyes hydrated and healthy. Carrots have long been associated with good vision, and for good reason. They contain high levels of beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A that is essential for night vision and preventing dry eyes. Without enough vitamin A, the cornea can become overly dry, leading to discomfort and even vision problems. Other orange-colored vegetables like sweet potatoes, bell peppers, and pumpkins also provide a great dose of beta-carotene, helping to keep your vision sharp. When it comes to foods that can harm your eyesight, processed foods high in refined sugars and unhealthy fats are among the worst offenders. One of the biggest culprits is white bread and sugary snacks, which cause rapid blood sugar spikes. High blood sugar levels can damage the tiny blood vessels in the eyes, increasing the risk of diabetic retinopathy, a condition that can lead to blindness. If you want to protect your vision, swap processed carbs for whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats, which provide steady energy without harmful sugar spikes. Another food group to be cautious with is fried and highly processed foods, such as fast food, chips, and packaged snacks. These foods often contain trans fats, which contribute to inflammation and reduce circulation to the eyes. Poor blood flow can deprive the eyes of essential nutrients, leading to dryness, irritation, and a higher risk of macular degeneration. Instead of reaching for unhealthy snacks, try nuts, seeds, or fresh fruit, which provide vitamins and antioxidants that support long-term eye health. One surprising vision-damaging habit is consuming too many soft drinks and high-sodium foods. Excess salt can lead to high blood pressure, which can strain the blood vessels in the eyes, leading to vision problems over time. Processed meats, canned soups, and salty snacks should be eaten in moderation to avoid this risk. Instead, opt for potassium-rich foods like bananas, avocados, and spinach, which help balance blood pressure and keep your eyes healthy. Protecting your vision starts with what you put on your plate. By incorporating nutrient-rich foods like leafy greens, fatty fish, carrots, and whole grains, you can nourish your eyes and reduce the risk of age-related vision loss. At the same time, avoiding refined sugars, processed snacks, fried foods, and excessive salt can prevent damage and keep your eyesight strong for years to come. Your eyes work hard for you every day. Give them the nutrients they need, and they'll keep serving you well into the future. Start making smarter food choices today and see the difference for yourself.